My name is Roland Sands, and I run a brand called Roland Sands Design. We build custom motorcycles, develop hard parts, motorcycle parts, and apparel. I build because I was born in the motorcycle industry, and I always had the want to be creative and always had the want to build bikes and to build projects and to create new products. So it was natural for me. Really started out on the product side, then moved into wanting to build custom motorcycles and take those products and put them on bikes. I love my job. I love coming to work and trying to create things and trying to take ideas and turn them into reality. That's really what our business is from top to bottom, is having an idea and then turning it into this like rolling, working, running art. My whole life I've been using a screwdriver, and once you get into battery-powered tools, it really changes how quick you can do things. And if you really get a nice host of tools like Makita has, your jobs just happen so much quicker, and it actually makes you look forward to doing the work, where some things used to be really difficult. Now you have great tools to be able to help you do your job quicker with less effort, and also to do the job better, cleaner, more precise. I think Makita adds a lot to our work environment, and it really helps us progress and helps to make it so that we can do things quicker and better. To me, the world is kind of a canvas, and I try and take something that isn't great and try and make it great. Life gives you the ability to have a platform to be able to create different things. You have different ingredients, put those together in a certain way, and you come up with something special. My name is Roland Sands, and I build because it's the right thing to do. It feels right.